Hey, Bison Band. Today we're going to be identifying key signatures on the bass clef staff, and I have for you a brand new key signature to add to your collection. You also today, you're going to need to keep moving because we have 1,000-second limit on this, meaning you have 10 seconds on average for each answer to get 100 completed in time. 10 errors allowed and 5 hints for today. Now, as you have done in the past, there is a key signature with one sharp, that is our key of G, one flat, that is our key of F, and no sharps, no flats, which is our key of C. We've been using those in our previous levels. The new one, and I have a new rule to go along with this that will work for all future flat key signatures, is our key of B flat, which has 2 flats in it. So let's take a look at this. Okay. If I have one flat in my key, this flat right here is on the line for B flat. Now, we know that if there's one flat, that is the key of F. We also remember that we have to use the natural little button here first. We'll know we're on the right track because it turns green. I add in my F and going on. If I have one sharp in my key, remember that the rule for sharps is you go to the furthest sharp away from your clef. So this is the only sharp here, so it has to be the furthest for right now. The name of that sharp, the note that it affects, goes right through the middle of it. That's our line for F, so this is an F sharp. Then I have to raise that up my musical alphabet by 1, going up to G. F goes up to G, G natural. I'm on the right track because it turns green. And then I add G here. Now here's our new key. Now here's the new rule for flat key signatures. If you have more than one flat, you go out to the furthest flat from the treble, from your clef rather, go out to the furthest flat from your clef, and then bring it back 1. So since there's 2 flats here, I go to the furthest one to the right, which is right here. This is actually an E flat right here because it's on the line for E. And then I go back 1 flat, and the flat right here is the name of the key. So this is a B flat because it's on our line for B. So it's also the name of our key. This is the key of B flat. Now when I put this in for my answer, I can't use the natural button here. I have to use the flat button because it's the key of B flat. So when I press this, it turns green to tell me I'm on the right track. I go over here to my B, and that is how I input B flat. And here we go. I got no flats, no sharps. We just remember that natural, this is the key of C. So as you put these in today, remember the rule for your new key signature for B flat. That will be the same for key signatures with more than 2 flats too that you will see in the future. If you have questions beyond what you see in this video, remember that you can stop by my office hours or you can send me an email.